everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to add story filters to photos that are already in your camera roll. If you want to use effects on old photos, this tutorial is for you. So let's get started. For this demo, we are going with our Instagram. Here, swipe right or tap your story. Now this opens the story camera where the filters are available. Now tap the small gallery thumbnail at the bottom left corner. And from here, choose any photo from your camera roll. I will go with this one for now. Your photo will now appear in the story editor. Now swipe left or right on the screen. This applies basic Instagram story filters like Oslo, Tokyo, Lagos, etc. You can also use FX library. For that, tap the sparkle FX icon at the top. Now browse available filters. Choose any filter you want. And once you're satisfied, tap done at the top right. Adjust using the slider if the filter allows. Simply tap your story to post. And that's how you add story filters to any photo from your camera roll. Super easy. If this helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe. Comment below what tutorial you want next. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.